Good morning. Last time we were discussing about fundamental rights, and we have discussed about 6 freedoms that are guaranteed in the Constitution. Next fundamental right is protection in respect of conviction for an offense. If a person has committed any offense, he has protection by the law on the basis of if the offense is against a law, then only he will be convicted. Furthermore, the conviction cannot be more than the offense he has committed. And if a person has committed a crime or has committed a crime, he will be punished only once for a single crime. That is, he cannot be convicted more than once for a single crime. Further, his witness cannot be used against himself. He is not obliged to provide witness against himself. Next, protection given under fundamental right is protection of personal liberty. If a person is convicted, if a person is to be arrested, then he must be produced before magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest. Next, right given under fundamental rights is right to education. Children below 14 age has right to education. This was included in fundamental right under article 21A. This was included by 86 constitutional amendment in 2002. Next right given under fundamental right is protection against the arrest and detention in certain cases. A person cannot be arrested without information. A person must be produced before the magistrate after his arrest. However, these laws are not applicable to an alien citizen or an enemy. A person, even if he or she is citizen of India, he can be detained under preventive detention. That is to prevent some offense being committed and which is against the security of India. A person can be detained. However, this detention cannot be longer than 3 months. 3 months, and the person must be produced before a law or a committee which must be constituted by judges of court or under the efficient authority. Next protection given under fundamental rights is traffic in human being. Traffic in human being is considered as an offense, and no person can be forced to begar or forced labor. If a person is forced to begar, this is considered as a offense under Constitution of India. Next right given is against child labor. Children of country are protected under this act. No children below the 14 years of age can be employed in any hazardous employment. However, this law has restricted implication, as it has restriction of age, that is, child above the age of 14 can be employed to hazardous industries, and a child below the age of 14 can be employed into non-hazardous employment. So this law has restricted implication. However, somehow it has guaranteed some protection to the child below the age of 14. Next rights are rights of conscience, profession, practice and propagation of religion.